Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here with Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and I am so excited to have Sonia back. Sonia, welcome back. It's been 1 year since I saw you last.
Yes.
We did not do an initial video on you, but results look awesome. I was so excited for you.
I'm excited too.
Tell us how you feel about it.
I feel great about it. I think it's one of the best decisions I've ever made.
Yeah.
In my adulthood. It is unbelievably full again.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And we're going to put up the before pictures so people can see kind of the before and afters. But we were sharing a little bit about kind of how it's changed what you do on a daily basis and your confidence level and all that. Can you share a little bit about that?
Yeah, I used to have to wake up. I used to have to arrange to wake up earlier in the morning because the bald spots were so immense that it would take time to like gel down, and like I had like my own routine to make things lay and not go out of place, all for the sake of looking presentable and when I go to work and when I go out, and not to be embarrassed.
Yeah.
And it just became like a thing, and I'm like, I don't want to do this no more. I'm like tired of like doing the whole bit. Like I just want to be able to just like relax and feel confident. And so now I just can put my hair up simply. This is freshly washed hair, so I'm not doing the most. I just have it in a little stretchy, and I can walk out the door and be cool.
Yeah, you can wear ponytails and wear it how you want and have the confidence to wear it.
And
that's great.
Yeah, I don't have to like slip back and be obsessed with it being pristine. Like, because I actually am okay with like flyaways and things of that nature. But when you have bald spots, there cannot be any flyaways.
It looks fantastic. I am so happy for you. If you wouldn't mind, just sort of look down for 2 or 3 seconds.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, and then look to the left. Sort of hold it there, and then look to the right. And we're going to overlay the before pictures so we can kind of see the before and afters. But, oh, my God. Oh, it's beautiful. So happy for you.
Nice. Like, it's just perfect.
Yeah. Oh, so pleased for you. Any issues with the scar in the back?
No issues with the scar in the back. There was, like, a little panging that would come every now and then, but that was like at the end of the suture line. Maybe that was for the start and the beginning of the suture.
Yep.
But that went away.
Yeah.
And it's really been smooth. Good. Like this whole process has been really smooth.
Awesome.
I just followed directions in the initial.
You were a very good patient. You followed all the directions perfectly. Well, I'm so thrilled for you. Thank you so much for sharing this, and it does help, as you know, when you were looking around, you were looking at the videos, and hopefully this will give somebody sort of some confidence, and will inspire some other people as well too. But
I hope it does. I love it. A good decision.
It looks so nice. Congratulations.
Yay!
All right. Take care.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.